are the most beautiful girl I have ever seen. You have been my best friend for so long, and I am beyond excited to call you mine forever. Been there to hold me and comfort me when I needed it most. We've had so many good times, the best times of my life. I hope you know how much you mean to me and my whole family. I can't wait for you to officially join it. Thank you for allowing me to call you my wife.
Passing time, moments on, saying your name.
Today's the day, baby. Can't believe the day we talked so long about is finally here. I knew from the day I met you, I never wanted to stop talking to you. I also felt a little crazy, not going to lie, praying at night that we'd end up together, but that's the thing, it's always been you.
Head down, sleeping sound, telephone, it was never the way.
No one else makes me feel the way you do. I feel safe, protected, loved, adored, and luckier than anyone. Your gentle touch and sweetness towards me has always been my favorite thing. Also, P.S. Never stop writing me love notes, and I'll never stop writing you notes when I leave to go. Out of town.
The distance between us will get in between us and don't torn apart, you know. Left in the silence, how only the night gets. Hold on through it all, you know. The distance between us will get in between us and don't torn apart, you know.
Oh my god, it's okay. Oh, it's so bad. You're okay.
So cold, my nose is running.
It's
And
okay.
I love you, you look beautiful.
Your eyes are so red.
I know.
It's okay. I've never seen you cry so much. It made me cry because you don't cry.
It's pouring down. Dominoes heart, but we're never the same.
With this ring, I give you my promise from this day forward to be your faithful and one and only partner in life. I will forever be there to laugh with you, to lift you up when you're down, and to love you unconditionally through all our adventures in life together. And if you agree, please say, I do.
I do.
I do.
I love you, Tyler. I'm really happy you're joining our family. I'm really happy about that. Don't lose Sabrina. She's very special, okay? I absolutely love her. She's just gorgeous. I mean, look at her body, look at her face. Like, she's got everything.
You once got hit in the head with a golf club. I'd like to leave you with a quote from one of Tyler's favorite movies, Forrest Gump. I'm not a smart man, but I know what love is. This is what love looks like. It's clear that everybody truly loves me.
It is now my honor and joy to pronounce to you as being husband and wife. You may kiss your beautiful bride. And now let me be the first to introduce to you Mr. and Mrs. Tyler and Sabrina Sorensen.
in between us and though torn apart we know. Left in the silence, how lonely the night gets, and through it all you know. The distance between us will get in between us.